So here's our latest project car, a 2011 Mini Cooper S, but with some restyling has occurred at the front, so it's been in an accident. We've got it from a salvage auction. Paid about $1,900 by the time we had it delivered and put the VAT on top of it. So there it is. It looks quite bad. None of the airbags have gone off, interestingly, and it looks like where the chassis rails have hit it's gone to the middle here. And we'll look at changing this, and we'll do some videos where we take bits and pieces off it, and we'll try and fix it, not in a professional way, but just in a way that's safe, we think is safe, and cost effective. So there we go. It's got a little dent at the back. The side's all right, isn't it? It's got some alloys on there, black roof, spoiler. And we'll do a little video on that, I reckon. And I reckon with the heat gun we can get that out, don't you? We'll have a little look. It's a little bit there. Inside, do you want to have a open? It looks quite nice inside. We've got some red leather seats. It's got 70,000 miles. It all looks all right. It starts. Ian's going to demo it. He hasn't done this before. It's all quite funky. Put the little key in there. Press the start stop. It's got like all the touch screen and everything. How many miles we got on it? 70,000 miles. But it sounds okay. So we've probably got no coolant in there. We've got one headlight, so we'll start taking this apart and we'll do some videos of it. And we'll take the bumper off and we'll see whether we can get a usable car for a good price.